Is there any button who gives you tons of money? Is this kind of things exist? Hey friends, my name is Vivek and I am a professional trader. Together with my team, I made an app. This app helps you to make money in the stock market. You don't believe me? Then watch this video. I will do this in the live stock market. Okay friends, let's start farming money. The bot system is as simple as it gets. Press the button and it tells you where and which direction to open a trade. Right now I will trading in the real time and showing you everything as it is. I am working with real funds, so every move it at my own risk. Press it, wait a couple of seconds, the signal appears. The currency pair Australian dollars and Swiss francs. Need to find it quickly and enter. The time is tight. Create the bot. Recommended opening for a short position going with it. Expiration 1 minute work best. 2 also possible. Showing both today but personally recommended starting with 1 minute. Quick breakdown. The signal makes sense. Clear downtrend. Seller pushing hard. Formed a strong red candle. Price is breaking through the support level and my contract is open in a favorable zone. Resistance is nearby visible from the candle heights, which are consistently lower each time. The first trade is going well, not making any predictions, but this might print clear profit. Guys, before live trading, strongly advise testing this bot on a demo account. This will help you to be comfortable and see if this style works for you. Great, first profit secure. Trading aggressively, investing 1000 per trade. Had already tested the bot off camera with smaller amount and the results were so solid that I decided to record and share the video. Next signal will likely be on a different currency pair. Need to find the asset fast and enter immediately. Opening 2-minute trade now. Let's check. Alright boy, suggest going long executing. Overall the chart structure looks solid despite the recent prolonged dip. Price is gradually climbing now. Each new low is higher than the last. Notice this strong reversal signal. Plus, buyer activity shows clearly in the candles. Thick bodies and long lower wicks confirm the markets actively buying the dips. Suspect I am not the only one using the kind of assistance right now. Our software runs on neural networks and they are clearly not wrong here. Truth is, more traders are switching to automated system, but finding one that actually works, that's a real challenge. Okay, opening another trade while the previous one is still running. Meanwhile, let me share key rules for consistent profit with this board. Break these and you will just asking for your losses. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency, so we need to switch the crypto section on the platform. Important note here, check this out. Ethereum is currently only available in OTC section on the pocket option. OTC quotes differ from exact rates. They are not the same thing, so only trade asset you will receive signal for. We only want real instrument traded globally that form live market patterns. Hope you got that. Alright guys, second trade and it's beggar. 2 wins in a row, but too early to celebrate. Keep watching. Even I don't know how will end up, but feeling good about the results. Profit taken, and we were covered something crucial: how to handle signal properly. Now let's keep going. No manual entry hunting. That's our bot job now. Guys, I was getting signal from asset currently unavailable with the broker. Just skip them to keep the stream clean. Now things seems back to normal. Time to earn, so to speak, honest and money again. The dollar and Swiss francs, my favorite pair. Long signals confirmed. Upward only. Full steam ahead, as they say. Another great signal. Price is clearly pushing higher. Trend slow formed. deviations from the level below. Here another key point about reaction time. If you take too long to find the right currency pair after a signal, you change to profit drops sharply. Your chance to profit dropped sharply. You got about 20 seconds to react and enter. After that, better not risk it. Open $1 trade now, deliverably late, showing how hesitation cost money. One more thing, don't fully rely on the bot. If you don't know basic analysis or how market works, pause this video and learn fundamental first. I regularly post chart analysis and quick lessons in my Telegram channel to help you grab trading easier. All this knowledge comes from here in the market. The link in the video description. Go subscribe. Complete beginners are already profiting. Just check Start in Telegram. They speak for themselves. Subscribe. Trade with your own brain, not someone else. Think this one winner. Through I plan to show you a loss. Funny how that work out. Let me try again, this time initially losing money, but on a different signal. Alright, let's say I deliberately delay entry. Now the signal probably outdated. See how the candle closing time is ending with just 1 minute contract duration? In scalping, even without a bot, we literally have seconds to make decision. Bottom line, you get 20 seconds. Missed it? Stop and wait for next signal. That's the second golden rule. Follow this and you will mostly be fine. Watching look like this trade will actually go red. Honestly, tired, hard to blow this dollar, didn't risk a grand. That amount still hard to lose. $1 versus today profits, pocket change. So what happening? Look like upward momentum starting. Well, apparently profit is drawn to me like a magnet, or rather the boat pulls it in. Alright, I hope you understand where I was going with these losing trades. I want you to avoid losses too, even if you suddenly decide to chase them on purpose. The key guys, I stay calm, no nervous, cold-hearted, a couple of clicks and we started earning bit by bit. Not right away, but gradually. This is a journey, not a sprint. Only then we will see results. Okay, no more contact, that's enough. Let's see how it ends, whether it will be another profit or finally a loss. Just a reminder, I don't analyze the situation before entering it all on the board. Now this is an interesting moment. The situation is deadlock. I would enter under these conditions. Support and resistance levels are far away. The price is stuck in a flat. Sharp spikes is up and down like on command. Honestly, I would risk it, but the board decided otherwise. Maybe it a miscalculations or maybe not. We will find out soon. All the links are in the description. If something unclear, do you have any question how the board works, DM me on Telegram and I will talk to you. If you like the breakdown, hit the like button. It really motivates me to make more content for you. And yes, perfect, a strong upward impulses. The final second and the trade confidently goes into profit. Profit again, just brilliant. So let's wrap up our marathon on this high note. That's it. Trade is closed, money secured. You saw it in live trading. My software does not just work, it does dirty work for you. The board link in my Telegram channel in the description. Go and click on the link. You will get this software and share with your friends. But remember, the market do not forgive those who are doing silly mistakes or those who overthink and those who know that we know better. The market show the real result.